Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we are focusing on DTCs B1275, B1276, and B1278, which indicate various headlight circuit malfunctions in the 2023 Honda Accord. DTC B1275 signifies a malfunction in the headlight off position circuit, while B1276 points to an issue in the headlight switch parking position circuit. Lastly, DTC B1278 suggests a malfunction in the headlight on position circuit. The body control module plays a crucial role in detecting these issues. It continuously monitors the input signals from the combination light switch and determines if any logic abnormalities arise, indicating a malfunction. Upon identification, the body control module stores the corresponding DTC in the system for further diagnostics. The identified DTCs affect the headlight switch and the body control module in the Honda Accord. The headlight switch, located on the dashboard, is responsible for controlling the on-off states of the headlights in different positions. Its proper functioning ensures the headlights operate as expected during day and night driving. The body control module, or BCM, processes the signals received from this switch. If it identifies any discrepancies, it logs the appropriate DTC. The BCM monitors the circuits associated with headlight functionality, including both the on and off position signals and the parking position circuit. A dotted line indicates the components needing testing in the vehicle's diagnostic outline, highlighting the interconnected nature of these systems. Several possible causes may lead to the failure of headlight circuits reflected by the DTCs. One common cause is a faulty headlight switch itself, which could malfunction or fail to properly transmit signals to the body control module. Additionally, errors in the external circuits, which include the HL on switch, HL off switch, small LT switch, and combi switch ground underscore, can lead to abnormal conditions affecting functionality. Another significant factor could be issues within the body control module, which may malfunction. If the BCM can't accurately read inputs from the headlight switch, it will log DTCs indicating various circuit malfunctions. Proper diagnostic procedures must be followed to identify the exact cause. When the DTCs B1275, B1276, and B1278 are triggered, symptoms are likely to manifest, indicating a malfunction. One primary symptom is that the headlights may not function correctly, leading to driving visibility issues. Additionally, the check engine light or another warning indicator on the dashboard could illuminate, alerting the driver to a potential problem with the lighting system. Moreover, the presence of the logged error codes in the body control module indicates specific malfunctions in the headlight circuits. Drivers may experience unpredictable headlight behavior when switching modes, which can be concerning, especially at night. Identifying these symptoms supports a faster diagnosis. The first troubleshooting step involves ensuring the vehicle is in the on mode. This is essential as it allows the body control module to power up and begin monitoring system functions properly. Once in this mode, the next action is to turn the headlight switch through its various positions: off, parking, and on, holding each position for at least 6 seconds. This duration is critical as it allows the body control module to register the settings and ensure proper circuit readings. By executing this step, maintain awareness of any warning indicators or unusual feedback from the headlight system, as these may help trace circuit issues. In Step 2, the focus shifts to the inspection of the headlight switch, which requires testing for proper functionality. This involves disconnecting the combination light switch connector and the body control module connector. Once disconnected, you will begin testing the various signals emanating from the headlight switch connectors. It is necessary to ensure that the HL on switch, HL off switch, small LT switch, and combi SWGND all show less than 1 ohm when inspected in the off mode, indicating that the circuits are intact and free from short or open conditions. This meticulous examination helps to establish if the headlight switch itself is operating correctly or if it requires replacement. The third step involves testing the body control module itself if the previous inspections indicate that the headlight switch and associated circuits are functioning properly. It is crucial to confirm other inspections before attributing the malfunction to the BCM. This is done through a systematic check to determine if it is processing the inputs received from the headlight switch as expected. If following all checks, the body control module shows no normal condition, it is likely the source of the issue. The BCM failure can prevent proper circuit communication and operational feedback. Hence, identify any abnormalities in its operations before concluding its defect. After completing the troubleshooting and repairs, it's imperative to perform a final verification of repairs to ensure all systems are functioning correctly. Begin by resetting the DTCs stored in the body control module through a diagnostic tool. This clears past error codes and prepares the system for new readings. After resetting, it's essential to test the headlight operation by cycling through all available positions, off, parking, and on, observing whether the headlights perform flawlessly without triggering further DTCs will confirm the successful completion of the repair process. This verification step ensures a fully operational lighting system critical for safe driving conditions. Preventive maintenance is vital in avoiding future occurrences of DTCs B1275, B1276, and B1278. Regular inspections of the entire circuit that connects the headlight switch to the body control module are essential in maintaining system integrity. Checking for any signs of wear, corrosion, or loose connections guarantees that the circuits are in good working condition. Additionally, addressing any dashboard indicator failures promptly will enhance the overall reliability of the headlights. It's advisable to include these inspections as part of routine vehicle maintenance. A proactive approach helps identify issues before they escalate, thereby ensuring the ongoing safety and functionality of the vehicle. In conclusion, understanding the DTCs B1275, B1276, and B1278 is crucial for identifying headlight circuit malfunctions in the 2023 Honda Accord. Proper troubleshooting practices involve thorough inspection steps that target the headlight switch and body control module, ensuring each component functions correctly in tandem. Implementing regular maintenance checks can preemptively address potential issues rooted in circuit connections and component wear. As vehicles rely heavily on proper illumination for safe driving, ensuring the lighting system works impeccably is paramount. By following these guidelines, owners and technicians can enhance the reliability of their vehicles' lighting systems, ultimately contributing to safer driving experiences. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.